Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get API key from Google AI Studio. So first you open your browser, then in the search bar you type Google AI Studio. After that you will see the official website, you click on that. Then on the left side you will see get API key, you click on that. After that you will see your API keys here, and of course you can create a new one. You go and click on create API key. You name it here, for example, what you want, and here you can select of course the project that you want for this API key, or you can select default Gemini project. Then you click on create key. You wait for a second, and then you will see your new API here. You can click on it and you will see the details, and you can copy it, or you simply just copy it from here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.